Hello dear students, so now today we would move ahead in this first chapter of class 9th mathematics, that is number system. So here today I am just going to tell you how to find out rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So the heading is finding rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So here I would be telling you two methods for this. Okay, so let's say question I am giving you, find out five rational numbers between, let's say, 1 and 2. Okay, let's say you are to find out five rational numbers between 1 and 2. So how would you find this? So let me tell you the method number first here. So I would be telling here two methods. So first you would be doing this by the first method, because if you see 1 is a rational number and 2 is a rational number. Why? Because 1 can be written as 1 by 1, 2 also can be written as 2 by 1. In the form of p by q I have written this. Okay, so that is why 1 and 2 both are the rational numbers. Now here we have to find out five more rational numbers between these two given numbers. So what are the number between these two numbers? In the form of the fraction, isn't it? Yes. So you have to find out five numbers in between 1 and 2. Five rational numbers in between 1 and 2 that you have to find out. Okay, so how would you find this? So you have in the method number 1 to find out the five rational numbers between 1 and 2. So you would be taking the mean of these two. Are you getting this? So first rational number, can you tell me the first rational number between these two? The rational number between these two would be like this. If I am adding these two and I am dividing it by 2, so the number that I would be getting would be in between, isn't it? So let's say it is 1 and the second rational number you have 2, and you add these two and you divide it by 2, you would be getting how much? 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So this 3 by 2 would be a number in between 1 and 2 or not? Just tell me first. This 3 by 2 would be a number between 1 and 2, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes, because I have taken the median of these two, 1 and 2, sorry, mean, isn't it? So this is how you would be finding out the rational number between these two given numbers. Okay, so this is the first rational number, but we have to find out five rational number. Only we have found here first. So if you have found the first rational number, then the second you can find. Again, if you are taking the mean of these two, again you would be getting the second rational number, isn't it? So second rational number. Now see here, second rational number. So how would you find out the second rational number? So this would be the first one. Let me write it here somewhere. 3 by 2. So because this 3 by 2 is between 1 and 2, so this is the first rational number. Now to find out second rational number between 1 and 2, so I would take again the mean of 1 and the next number, that is 3 by 2. So I would be adding these two and again I would be dividing it by 2. So I would be writing it like this. 1, second number is 3 by 2 now. Then take the mean, means you are again to divide it by 2. Okay, so how do you do this? How do you solve this? If you see, take the LCM. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. So you would be writing this as 5 by 2, isn't it? 2 plus 2 1 ja 2 and 2 plus 3, 5 divided by 2. And this 2 is their downside. So this 2 would be multiplying their upside. So I would be writing it as 5 by 2 multiplied 2. So answer would be 5 by 4. So this would be the second rational number between 1 and 2. So this would be how much? 5 by 2. Isn't it? 5 by 4, sorry. Okay. Now we have to find out the third rational number. Third rational numbers. How do you find this? Now for finding out the third rational number between 1 and 2. So now again I would be taking out the mean of this and the next one, that is 5 by 4. So I would be writing this 1. Next one is what? 5 by 4. I will be taking the mean, means I will be dividing it by 2. Okay, just solve this. 4 1 ja 4, 4 plus 5, 9 by 4. 9 by 4. And these two would be multiplying here. So it would become 9 by 8. So 9 by 8 would be the third rational number. We have found three rational number between 1 and 2. Now fourth, how would you find out the fourth rational number? Fourth rational number. So for finding out the fourth, again you would be taking the mean of 1 and 9 by 8. So means you are to add this 1 and 9 by 8, then you are to divide it by 2. Isn't it so? Now solve this. 8 1 ja 8, 8 plus 9, 17 by 8. 17 by 8, and these two would be multiplying upside, so I would be writing it as 17 by 16, isn't it? So 17 by 16 would be the fourth rational number. Now the fifth one, how would you find out fifth? Again, you are taking the mean of these two, so I would be adding 1 plus 17 by 16, and I would be dividing it by 2. So just solve this. 16 1 ja 16, 16 plus 17 is how much? 33. Yes, 33 by 16, and these two would be multiplying upside, so I would be writing it as 33 by 16 2 ja 32. So this is 33 by 32. 33 by 32, isn't it? So this is how we are going to find out 5 rational number between two given rational number. So between 1 and 2, I have found 1 2 3 4 5 rational number. Okay, so this is how you would solve the given question here, isn't it? So this is the first method. Hope you are knowing this now. This is the first method. Now let me tell you the second method, and this is going to be the easiest one. Okay, but the question that I am going to give you for homework, you have to solve the questions by both the methods. Okay, but answer you would be getting, the answer would not be same, because there can be infinite rational numbers between these 1 and 2. We can find out thousands of rational number between 1 and 2, but only we have found 5. So you can if you are taking the mean of these two, again you would be getting another rational number, isn't it? So rational number means the answer, if you are not matching the answer, no problem is there. Okay, so these are the 5 rational number between 1 and 2. Okay, by the first method we have written this. Now by the second method, I am going to find out the 5 rational number between 1 and 2. Before this, note it down. Now I am telling you the second one method. So how will you find out 5 rational number between two given rational number? Okay, so we are going to do it by the second method. Okay, let's say you have the first rational number 1 and you have the second rational number, that is 2. Okay, you are going to find out 5 rational number between these two. If you are to find out 5 rational number, so you are doing it like this. 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. Just remember this. If you are going to find out 6 rational number, then you are to write here 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. But right now we have to find out 5 rational numbers. I would be writing here 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 is equals to 6. Now what I am going to do, just look here. This is the first rational number 1. So can I write it 1 by 1? Yes. 2 is also rational number. So can I write it 2 by 1? Yes, of course. Okay. Now I have to find out 5 rational number between these two. So if I am adding 1 there, so 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. So what I am going to do, just look here. I am going to multiply by this 6 upside also, by this 6 downside also, and same here also. So how much I am getting? 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, and similarly 6 2 ja 12, and 6 1 ja 6. Now you have to write all the numbers in between these two. So I would start from 6. So after 6, what comes after 6? Greater than this would be how much? Yes, 7. 6 7 by 6. Denominator would be same. Remember this. Then greater than 7 would be 8 by 6. Then greater than this 9 by 6. Then greater than this 10 by 6. Then greater than this 11 by 6. Greater than this 12 by 6. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are the 5 rational number now. So this is the second method. By this one method, again we have found the 5 rational number. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth. So these are the 5 rational number between these two given. This is 1, this is 2. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 12. Yes or not? So this is 1, this is 2. So what are the 5 rational number between 1 and 2? This. So you write here, hence 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2 are what? First one is 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. These are the 5 rational numbers. Okay. So this is the second method. By second method you would be getting some different answer. By first method you would be getting some different answer. Doesn't matter. Okay. Because as I have already told you, there can be thousands of rational number between 1 and 2. Okay. Getting it or not? So this is the second method. Okay, just note it down. Then after I would be giving you some questions that you have to do on your own from your home. Okay, just note it down. Now this is the next question. Question is, find out 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So again, you have to find out 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 here now. In the previous one, 1 and 2, but here 3 and 4. So this question also you have to do by both the methods. First you solve it by method number 1. So in method number 1, I have already told you are taking out the mean of 3 and 4 first, dividing it by 2. So keep dividing by 2 the way we have done the previous question. Similar method you have to apply here also. Okay, so here you have to find out 6 rational number. Remember this, 6 rational number. In the previous one, 5. Okay, so you are going to solve this by method number 1. Then similarly you would do this by the method number 2 also. So how would you solve this by method number 2? If you are solving it by method number 2, you would be writing 3 as 3 by 1, 4 as 4 by 1, and you have to find out 6 rational number. So 6 plus 1 would be 7. So you have to multiply upside by 7 also, down by 7 also, here also by 7, here also by 7. Then write all the numbers between these two, and you are going to find out your answer with this way. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the given question on your own. Okay, hope you are knowing this now. Okay, just see you in the next lecture then. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.